Hello, Tish Washington here, the Honest Mortgage Pro. I just wanted to talk about um, the benefits of using a nonprofit organization to process or negotiate your loan modification. If you are subscribed to my channel or if you've seen any of my other videos, you will see that we have transformed. We were attorney-based. We went from attorney-based to using a nonprofit organization to process our loan modifications to now we are our own nonprofit organization. And none of that's important, but I am getting questions. Well, your old video says attorney assisted, and all this and that. But what's happening, or what has happened, is because of scam and fraud and everything, and just because of the general crisis, the government's got involved with loan modifications. As you know, Obama came out with the Make Home Affordable plan. And in March of this year, the FTC shut down roughly 2,500 combined loan modification companies and attorneys. So it's changing, and it's going to continue to change. Yes, we had some positive numbers for real estate, but if you listened, I said that. I said, typically summer months is people move. Their kids are out of school. They sell their house. They move during summer. So I told you, don't be surprised when they start saying, oh, sales have gone up and, whatever. People are still losing their homes. 2010, 2012, we still have another wave of loans that are going to reset, which means the payments are going to go up. So loan modification, our industry is here. It's going to be here for a while. Now, if you go through me, Financial Freedom for America Families, that's the name of our nonprofit organization. The slogan is helping Americans keep their homes, and I like to say one family at a time because I work directly with one family at a time. But our center works with. We've done 3,800 this year alone. And those are the ones that are done. We still have more in process, because now where it was taking 6 to 8 weeks, now it's taking 3 to 4 months, just because the lenders are so backlogged. There's so many people, you have people doing loan modifications themselves now, which is good. If you can do that, great. But so I wanted to talk about some of the results that we're getting, because now that we have numbers, we can track what's going on. So we're slashing monthly payments by an average of 25 to 50%, definitely getting interest rates lowered. There's a lot of people are getting 2% rates for 5 years, but that's not every case. Every case is different. So, we can replace your adjustable rate with a fixed rate, definitely resolve your past due payments and the penalty fees. And what that means is we're getting these late fees and penalties forgiven. So they're not being waived. They're not being tacked on to the end of the loan. They are forgiven, gone completely. So, in case because what some companies will do is they'll agree to the modification. A couple of months down the line, the person defaults on the modification, which is happening, times are hard. And then they'll go back and say, well, we're going to add all these back penalties and these back payments. And so if it's forgiven, it's gone totally. And that's what we focus on, getting that done. And in some cases, we can reduce the principal on the first and the second. Cannot guarantee that, but it is happening more and more. As this crisis continues, they're going to realize they have to do it. And, more and more that's happening. So some of the services, if you join, go with me and you become a member of the nonprofit organization, the fee for the loan modification is a third less than what you'd pay industry-wide, okay? Your loan mod fee, the fees are now tax deductible because we're a nonprofit organization. Any fees paid to us is a tax deduction. And then we have a whole host of other services. Some of these briefly are short sale education, property tax reduction, homeowner education, renter's assistant, mortgage delinquency consulting, default resolution, that's the loan modification. Predatory lending consulting, equity acceleration, asset protection, debt elimination, credit score repair, credit consulting, all kinds of things. And so, and for one low fee. So, there's just benefits. And really what's important now is I just spoke to a gentleman 2 days ago who is with Chase. He paid a loan modification company $4,000. Chase will not talk to the loan modification company. They won't acknowledge them because they're not a nonprofit organization. And so it's just heading that way. And Bank of America, same thing. Bank of America, they will ask you, if you call and say, hey, I'm working with a modification company, they'll ask you, is it a nonprofit organization? And, it's just the way that it's headed. We work closely with IndyMac. We work closely with Wells Fargo. So, because we've been in business for 28 months, although we've had these transitions where we went from attorney-based, and we still have attorneys if necessary, but a lot of cases now don't need attorneys, especially since we've built relationships with, Wells Fargo, okay, let's call Linda Davis. Let's work with her. That's our rep at, Wells Fargo. So it just really pays to, if you are struggling with your mortgage, if you think, and you don't have to be past due. Oh, I talk to so many people who say, oh, I contacted XYZ company and they said that unless I'm 3 months past due, they're not going to work with me. You do not have to be past due. You do not have to be past due to qualify for a loan modification. So consultations are free. Give me a call. Here's my number. I'm Tish Washington. I've given you 3 benefits of why you should use a nonprofit organization. I would prefer you use mine. Check out my website, www.2modmyloan.com, right here. So I'm still the same person, same company, same 98.5% acceptance rate. And now we even have Stop the Sale. If you know that you have a sale date for your property, it's going to go to auction or sheriff's sale or trustee sale, call me. We will stop your sale for free. 100%, nothing attached. They'll, I can't think of the word. It's not stopped, delayed. They give you a 45-day, and then hopefully you will check out our services and decide to just get a modification. But it works. I saw one lady that I work with, they called the day before. So the day before the property was going to go to sale, our company called, stopped the sale, halted the sale. This homeowner is in their home today because they called, and we were able to stop the sale and did not charge them a penny. So you've tried the rest, now call the best. All right? Bless and be blessed. I wish you the best whatever you decide. Thank you.